Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy Friday. It's been a long week of work. I cannot wait for the weekend. It's finally warming up here in Canada, so we're going to be doing some pool opening. Pretty hyped for it. Cannot wait for summer to start. Today's video is going to be discussing how to purchase Litecoin on an exchange and withdraw it from the exchange. I'll actually be posting two videos, one on Litecoin and one on Dash. That'll be today and tomorrow. The exchange we're going to be using for this transaction is Binance. I released a video yesterday showcasing how to set up a Binance account and, basically a small tutorial discussing how to buy, sell, deposit, and withdraw. So if you want to create a Binance account to follow along, I'll post a little link right now up on the screen, and you can go to that video to follow along. As for this video today, we're going to be doing Litecoin. So I'm going to switch here on the Binance exchange to USDT because I have Tether on the account. I'm going to search for LTC and then go to the order book for Litecoin. So as you can see right now, guys, Litecoin is currently at $43.81. I'm going to make a small purchase here of 1 LTC for the market price. And then I'm going to hit buy LTC. And as you can see here, I've received 0.999 LTC as the exchange takes a small fee. So now that we have our Litecoin, we want to withdraw from the exchange. Because as I've said in multiple videos, as long as the funds are on the exchange, they don't belong to you. So once you're done trading and you want to take your Litecoin off, we're going to go to the top right here and go to Spot Wallet. We're going to go to Litecoin and we're going to hit withdraw. And as you can see, we're on the Litecoin withdrawal page. So Litecoin is selected. Here's my total balance. And here's the area where I'll be putting in my wallet address. So by default, I always use Trezor, my hardware wallet, to store all of my funds offline. So I'm going to switch over to my Trezor wallet. As you can see, there's an address that's present for me to use. I'm going to hit show full address, confirm it on my device, copy this address here, and then post it in my withdrawal address section. And I'm just going to hit max. The exchange, once again, takes a small fee. That's just the game. And then I'm going to hit submit. I'm going to put my Google Authenticator security code in. I'm going to do that here real quick. And it's going to ask me to confirm my withdrawal request. So I'm going to go to my email here real fast. And I'm going to update my email. As you can see, withdrawal request from this location. Here's my address, MF1, MCQ, matches. So I'm just going to confirm my withdrawal. And now I've withdrawn my Litecoin from the exchange back to my account to be safely stored offline. Okay, and as you can see, we're back on the deposit and withdrawal history page. You can see that it's processing my withdrawal to my address, and it looks like it has already gone through. So if we switch back to our Trezor wallet, you'll see my funds have now arrived. One thing I wanted to just highlight real quick, the new M-style addresses are for SegWit-enabled addresses. So usually most exchanges will not have an issue sending funds to your Trezor account using an M-style address. This is basically the newer version of addresses that Litecoin switched over to. If for some reason they're not allowing that to happen, it's a non-SegWit enabled exchange or non-SegWit enabled address sending funds to yours. All you're going to need to do is convert this address. So all you're going to do is select here, go back to your wallet, show your full address, copy this, post it in this box, and it'll convert it to the old school addresses, the non-SegWit enabled addresses for you to copy and paste. Okay, so I just wanted to highlight that really quick there for you guys. And I think that's pretty much it for the video. So we went on the exchange, we purchased Litecoin, we withdrew it to our Trezor Hardware wallet. And if you wanted to reverse this entire process, all you would do is go to send, go back to your Trezor account, go to deposit, select Litecoin, and then copy this address here, post it here, total amount, and you would send it back. And that's it for this video. So if you guys are enjoying the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. and we'll see you tomorrow for the next video.